Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine, and today I'm gonna share with you a really tasty recipe of golden drink. But before the recipe starts, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and if you like this video, so please do like, share and comment. So today we are going to make a golden drink which is also known as turmeric tea, and it has uncountable benefits as it is loaded with antioxidants due to its active ingredient known as curcumin present in turmeric, and because of this it improves our immune system, makes our bones strong, protects us from catching cold in winter and makes our skin healthier. So now let's see what are the ingredients that are used in making this golden drink. So for making this golden drink you're gonna need 1 cup of milk and a half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So now that we know the ingredients, so let's get to the recipe. So now what we're gonna do is pour 1 cup of milk in the pot. And now we're gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric powder in this and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in this, and let it boil for 5 minutes. So our golden drink has been boiling for 5 minutes, so now we're gonna turn off the flame. So now we're gonna pour it in a cup with strainer and top it up with some powdered cinnamon. So our tasty golden drink is ready to drink and make us strong in these chilly winters. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar and then I'm gonna drink it. So I have added 2 teaspoons of sugar and now I'm gonna taste it. It tastes really good and it's so healthy for you, and if you drink it every day before going to bed, so it will make you stronger while you're fast asleep, and when you wake up in the morning you will feel really strong and you will feel more energized and healthier to carry on with your day properly. So this was the quick and tasty recipe of our healthy golden drink which will make you healthier in these winters and make your immune system strong. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and if you like this video, so please do like, share and comment. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.